What's up, everybody? I'm in Decentraland right now, and this is Genesis Plaza, and I'm about to hop in. So I just got a hot tip from one of my friends that there's something going on at the True Band ballroom or whatever. So let's go check that out, okay? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna hit X, go to Discover, type in True, and looks like True Energy. Jump right in. Okay, might take a second to load. There it is. And there's nobody here. Looks like that was not a hot tip. Could be. Let's try it again. Maybe at the True stage. Nope, nobody here either. Well, I guess there's nothing going on. Oh, that's pretty cool. Look at that tongue. Oh, they even got porta potties in the metaverse. There's one for men, one for women, and one for unicorns. Alright, this is pretty cool. I remember this. This is from like the Metaverse Music Festival, I think last year. Alright, well, it's Shark Week and I'm rocking my cookie stuff. You see that? I got my cookie glasses on and my chef baker's hat and my cookie sandwich paws. So I'm gonna head on over to the cookie shop and cut some cookies. Let's see, here we go. In the metaverse. Sorry. Here it is. See, it says cookie cutter shop. There it is. Hey, it's my boy Metadoge. Hey buddy, how's it going? No, he's really an NPC, but he's a very friendly NPC. Well, let's see what's for sale today. What we got on the menu? We've got Cookie Doge glasses, 15 mana. Wow, what a deal. We got the paw print cookie gloves. Yeah, 5 mana, man. Absolutely worth it. And then the chef's hat. Yep. We even put hair on it because the initial model, you looked bald when you wore it, so it comes with hair. Okay, so yeah, I'm rocking all that. And now let's see what we got here in the cookie cutting area. Hey, look, it's Shark Week, so we're celebrating Shark Week with the sharks. We got shark cookie cutters. And the middle portion is a stamp, so when you cut the outside and then the mouth comes up onto the dough while you cut the outside. Yeah, it's a pretty cool cookie cutter. Here's the next one. Also in celebration of Shark Week, we got some sharks. Yeah, some outlines of sharks. That's pretty cool. Can't click the outside because there's no dough out here, so definitely fun to do. Fun activity for you to do in Decentraland here. And then under it, you have the cookie jars with the links. So you could go to our YouTube cookie jar and our Twitter cookie jar. I guess it's not Twitter anymore. We gotta call it X. So I gotta relogo that one. And then Instagram. Let's see Instagram. How's Instagram looking these days? No, it looks good. Wow, we're pretty active too, man. We got 800 posts. Very nice. Got a lot of cookies. Cookies made with cookie cutters. Alright, so you got that. And then let's see what we got over here. Oh, we got another big shark. Looks like a great white shark. But here in the cookie dough, it's a great brown shark. There we go. Let's see, how many can we fit on here? No. Okay. Hey, look, it's Benji. It's my neighbor's dog, and we made a cookie cutter out of him too. Let's see here. He says, "I'm Benji, and I'm a golden doodle who loves making cookies. Tell me more. My owner got me a personalized cookie cutter. Click the dough to see it in action." Oh, look, there he is. See, look, I'm comparing them. They look the same, right? Pretty sweet, huh? I'm going to say yes. Here is the link to where you can order your own personalized cookie cutters. Pupbusiness.com. They make great gifts. Wow. I am in agreement with him. Okay, so check that out. So this is personalized. So yes, actually we do make personalized cookie cutters at pupbusiness.com. And yeah, if you want your dog made or your neighbor's dog made, make sure to contact us. And we do cats too. I think maybe after Shark Week we'll make a little bit of a cat week here. And then, oh, we got a movie here. See, let's watch a movie while you're watching a movie. See that? You can watch TV in the metaverse. Oh my, look at that. Perfect. I believe these are Aerodel cookie cutters. It's so nice. Oh, and then there's a Pomeranian. Wow. Beautiful. Ooh, look at that. Baked in the oven. This is after getting baked. Oh man, we have a lot of cookies that got baked here. Oh, there's a Husky and a Havanese. There's a Border Collie.
Daddy,
Shiba Inu. Oh, and that would be a lab up here, and I'm pretty sure that's a corgi down there. And guess where the corgi is? Up top. We got a spinning cookie.
Hey, you want to
It's really.
go up there?
I can't go up there. It's too high up. Eventually, Decentraland's going to introduce double jumps, so we'll be able to get up there and check it out. But until then, yeah, we can't really do it yet. But maybe I'll make some steps up there. I can change whatever I want. Let me know in the comments if you want some steps up to the rooftop here, and then I can put them in. Shouldn't be too much of a difficult task. And then right here we've got some other dog treats. These are all real cookies, and we digitally made those real cookies into cookies in the metaverse. So they're all based on real cookies. So yeah. There you got the German Shepherd, and then you can click the link and buy the German Shepherd. See right here, and it goes down the line. We got a Shih Tzu, Basenji, Rottweiler, Corgi, Poodle, Lab, Maltese, Pitbull, Pomeranian, and the Doge. The Doge dog. Well, that's pretty much it. Oh, he just woofed at me. Yep, I can change his soundbite too. If you don't like the woof, I could put in a different woof if you guys want. Let me know in the comments. Alright, well that's pretty much it. The sun is setting in the metaverse. And, well, gotta go. Enjoy the rest of your Shark Week. Bye-bye.